Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel MathsBuzz. So today I am taking the topic of integers chapter 1 in continuation with last question. So in the last question it's a very interesting question. It's about the monkey who goes down and then he comes back, he jumps down and he comes back 2 steps. And this way the purpose is to reach the water level, which is on the 9th step. Like here you can see the steps. The monkey is sitting on the first step and he jumps 3 steps down, then he comes back 2 steps up to reach the water level, which is at the 9th step. So in how many steps he reaches the water level? This is what the first part is. So here what we do, we take that let number of steps moved down is represented by the negative sign, and the number of steps moved up, it is represented by plus sign. So here it says, like if he goes 3 steps down, so we will represent it by -3, and when he comes back by 2 steps, he comes back 2 steps, then we are representing it by plus sign. So this is -3 plus 2, again -3 plus 2, -3 plus 2. Now you know, when we are doing this calculation, we will just check how many steps he is covering in such a way. So here first step he was already sitting. Now this is your second step, he reaches. Third step, fourth step, this is fifth step, this is sixth step, and this is ninth step. So here in the last he reaches the 9th step. So he is not we are not counting after how many jumps he is taking, how many jumps after this step he is taking. Now here if you see, during this process he has covered the 9th step, but here we have to find out how many jumps. So this is first, this is second, because he goes 3 steps down, 2 steps up. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I'll just write it with a different thing. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This is 9, 10, and this is 11. So in 11 jumps, he will reach the water level. Okay, so he will reach the water level. After this second part, which is quite interesting, so we'll see how to do second part. So in continuation we'll take the second part, and which says after drinking water he wants to go back to the step 1, and he moves 4 steps up and 2 steps down. So he is going like this. Like suppose if he has at the 9th step, so he goes 4 steps up, that is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm taking 4 steps here. Okay, 4 steps up and 2 steps down, that is 1, 2. So it means he'll be at 7th step. So in how many jumps he'll go to the water level? So total number of jumps will be, here if he goes 4 steps up, 2 steps back, that is he has covered 2 steps. So he has come on the 7th step. Again 4 steps up, 2 steps down. So he has come to the 5th step. Again, now if you see, after this he'll come to the 4th step. That is he has come to the 1st step. So he has come to the 1st step, because here he has covered the 9 steps. That is a different point that he is going back, but he has touched the first step here. So this is the first step, or you can say the 9th step. If we take this as the first step, so that is going to be the 9th step. So in how many jumps he has covered the steps? He has come from 9th step to the first step. So we'll just count this. This is 1 jump, this is 2nd jump, this is 3rd jump, this is 4th jump, and this is 5th jump. So total number of jumps are 5 jumps. So we'll solve it this way. Now in continuation it says, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative, I have taken it negative, and then we have to add the number of steps moved up by positive integer, Then complete the following. Now here in continuation, I'll take the third part. Now we'll continue with the third part, and that will include, it's a sort of summary of first and second part. In the third part it says if minus 3 plus 2, that is the first case where going down is represented by negative sign, and if you simplify this it shows minus 8, that is he has come down 8 steps down to drink water. Now if it happens, so if we continue for the second part where it is 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4, what does this represents? So if you simplify, 4 minus 2 is 2, this is 2, this is also 2, and this is 4, this gives us plus 8. So that is very simple. If minus 8 represents 8 steps going down, plus 8 represents 8 steps going up. Okay, and I can show you how this minus 8 comes, because we have not gone in the detail in the first part when we were solving. So just try to understand. Here if you see, he was just sitting on the first step, he goes down 3 steps, comes back 2 steps. Okay, now here he has come to the second step. Here he has come to the third step, he has come to the fourth step, he has come to the fifth step, he has come to the sixth step, and he has come to the ninth step. Okay, so we are not interested in this. He has, how many steps he has covered? So he has covered 8 steps. But how will we show it? By solving. Minus 3 plus 2, this is minus 1, plus minus 1. If we solve this also, this is minus 1, plus minus 1. This is plus minus 1, plus minus 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is all integer, they are negative. This is minus 5 plus minus 3. This is minus 8. So here the first part, this is minus 8, means 8 steps he has gone down, and if you simplify the second part you get plus 8, that is he has come 8 steps up. So that's all from my side, and this question is a little tricky, but it's very interesting one. So just go through again, and there are various ways of solving, like for in few methods we solve for each step. Like in the second steps, how many, to cover the second step, how many jumps he take, for third step, fourth step, that way also we can solve our question. So that's all from my side, and till then keep practicing, keep learning, and thank you.